Welcome to QuickBooks Online Accountant, your free tool to manage your work and your clients all in one place. Let's get started by having a quick look at the layout. You have your navigation menu on the left side, which is split between your practice and your books. You also have a toolbar in the top right-hand corner where you can access settings to update your details and customize the look and feel, as well as manage the subscription and billing for your wholesale clients. Let's have a closer look at the navigation menu. Clients is where you can organize and access all of your clients' information. You can click a client's name to see more details, including notes from you and your team and shared documents. You can also access your client's QuickBooks directly from the client list. Just click the QuickBooks icon or select it from the drop-down menu. When you are in your client's QuickBooks, you will notice the left-hand navigation menu is dark grey, with your client's name. You will also have access to your special accountant tools, which includes reclassified transactions and prep for taxes. When you are done with your client's books, you can go back by clicking the QuickBooks Online Accountant logo or back to Practice in the drop-down menu. You will notice the navigation menu is now a light grey with your firm's name. When you have a new client, adding them is simple and you can take advantage of wholesale billing. With Teams, you can add staff members to your QuickBooks Online Accountant team. Not everyone on your team does the same work, so you can restrict client access and administrative tasks. Joining the ProAdvisor Program is free and easy. You'll receive dedicated support and access to training and certification to help your firm succeed. Become QuickBooks certified to list your practice on the ProAdvisor directory, searched by our extensive base of small businesses each year. QuickBooks Online Accountant isn't just for client work. You can manage your firm's work from start to finish as well. Click Work to see an overview of the tasks coming up for your firm, all organised by due date. You can easily create and assign projects and tasks. Stay informed by tracking progress in real time so you are on top of your deadlines. You can also send messages and share documents securely with your clients. Apps can help boost you and your clients' productivity. You can view, access and add apps for your firm and your clients. With QuickBooks Online Accountant, you can also manage your own books with a free QuickBooks Online Plus subscription. Track your work and profitability all from the one place. For more information, or if you get stuck, click our Help button to access our extensive knowledge database, or connect directly with our dedicated support team located here in Australia. You can also visit our Advisor Resource Centre for additional video tutorials and resources.